Okay, now I'm recording 1080p, 30 frames per second, both with the front camera, with the max stabilization enabled. So hopefully I don't have things on my mouth. Right? I just had breakfast, so I made a sandwich and I ate it before I come out. So it's early in the morning now, so it's and the sun is behind me. You can see how the video looks like. And from the screen I'm seeing the exposure is brighter on the Vivo X100 Pro than the S23 Ultra. So let's go up this route. The sun is coming out. We'll try to get the sunrise picture, and then I'll have a look at it. How does it look like? I wish the view was wider, and you can see both this way and this way. To be fair, let's turn around to get both the view, and together that's the sun behind, and then this is when the sun is in front. Oh man, I look so yellow on the S23 Ultra. Let's try to go up the viewing deck. Right, let's switch to the front and then go up the viewing deck. Okay, we shall do the stairs test with max stabilization on, but you can see the difference between the Samsung and the Vivo. The Vivo is only 1 times, whereas the Samsung able to go to 0.6 times with the wide lens, right, and stabilization. So let's switch it to 1 time, so both is equally about narrow, that narrow, so a bit tighter on the Samsung. But let's go up the stairs with this way, and then we'll see how it looks like and how the stabilization is. I have to be careful and don't fall down, right? And this is the sun is coming up there, and you can see there's a nice bird there making nice short sound. Hopefully I can get hold of it. I think it's a robin, right? Okay, it's a magpie robin. So let's try to go up the stairs and see how the stabilization is. The birds are pretty noisy today, which is good. So how does the closest focusing look like? So is it right? And we shall keep on going up the viewing deck and see the stabilization. So both phones able to switch from front to back while recording, so you don't need to stop the video. Okay, so the sun is coming up. How's the dynamic range? Let's go up higher. And it's a bummer, right? I can't use the wide lens for video for the Vivo, whereas you can do that with the Samsung. So, but to keep it fair, we'll test both of on the single lens. That's how it looks like. Now Samsung looks brighter. That's the Asian cow. You can hear a beautiful sunrise today. Gonna have some nice photos. So that's a view. How is the video look like? And the dynamic range. Nice viewing deck. I can test out the telephoto from here. Right. You can hear that that's the Asian call. It's a cuckoo bird. And then there's one magpie there. We shall take a shot of it. But we'll get the sunrise first. And there's a camera here. Park Ranger camera. So let's take a picture of this. Am I able to zoom? That's the thing. Okay, there's a 2x on the Vivo with the max stabilization. I can't zoom anymore on the Samsung because both are under max stabilization. But in the Vivo, you can go to 5x zoom in video, whereas Samsung in under full stabilization 1080p are unable to do that. So that is the advantage in terms of Vivo. So that's how it looks like. But Samsung has an advantage is you can go wide, whereas the Vivo can't do that, right? So the sun is super bright. Let's get some photos. Okay, we shall start with both wide lens 0.6 times. That's how it looks like. And this is the standard 12 megapixel photos, right? Not the high res yet. We'll try the high res later. Let's see how the photo comes out. And then this is the 1 times. I'm going to switch over 1 time. Yeah, let's try to get the horizon similar. Right, that's 1 time photo. And then 2 times on the Vivo, while it's 3 times on the Samsung. So let's do the shot. And then it's 4.3 times on the, well, let's try to get this. Nope, I can't get. Okay, you either have 3 and, so I'll just leave it at 3 then, and 4.3 times. Okay, then let's go to 10 times. 10 times facing the sun. Where's the sun? Okay. Okay, where's the sun? Okay, that's the sun. Okay, that's the sun. So 10 times on both, but it seems to be, the 10 times seems to be closer on Samsung. That's weird. So that's it's more, the 10 times on Samsung is closer. So see, I can get the sun and the electrical towers on the Vivo, but I can't get it on the Samsung. Let's try to get it on Samsung. From the screen, the Vivo seems to be looking better. So let's look at it. Yo, big difference, right? In terms of photo, both of them. So okay, I'm on 30 times on the Samsung, and I dial in 30 times on the Vivo as well. This is pretty hard because we are facing directly to the sunlight, and the Samsung seems to be very blurred out, so I need to find where the towers are and try to get the same shots. Okay, these 3 towers here. Okay, and this is 30 times. Again, the 30 times on the Samsung seems to be closer than the 30 times on the Vivo. And seems to be easier to hold on the Vivo. Let's get the power lines, because you'll see how sharp the power lines is. And the towers are okay. This is what I want to test video. So now I don't have any stabilization on. That's why I want to test the video. So that's the buildings there. Let's try to zoom in. You can see. So that's 3 times. Okay, zoom into number 5. And that's 20 times video zoom. Okay, so this is 20 times video zoom. That's how it looks like. So now we shall do the same with the Vivo. That's 0.6 times, that's the widest. And then we shall pinch in. And then we shall focus on number 5. So 10 times the video zoom. Okay, can I go further? No. So 20 times on the Samsung and 10 times video on the Vivo. Right. So it's much easier to shoot 100x on the Vivo than on the Samsung. That's too hard to focus on a subject, and the stabilization runs well, whereas at the same time the Vivo does is more stabilized, even though it's more zoom out in terms of 100x. So there's some birds here. I'm trying to get some birds in good light. That one wasn't in good lighting, and we shall get some shots of the birds in good lighting, and then we shall go to the flamingo pond where the flamingo isn't moving, so at least I can get some nice shots from there. Not believe my luck, this is a ant mimicking spider, right? So this is a very rare species. Yeah, it noticed me. I'm trying to get a picture of it, and for you guys to see, because it's a very unique little guy. This is the ant spider. Okay, I must say, I can't believe this is coming from a handphone. It got the ant spider. It's incredibly... Oh, it's even got the eyes. Oh my god. Okay, we're at the Flamingo Lake. So let's try to zoom in 3 times on the Samsung and 4.3 times on the Vivo. So that's how the flamingos look like. And then let's go to 10 times and 10 times video on the Vivo. You can go more on the Vivo, whereas the Samsung can go to 20. So that's the max. So Samsung can go to 20. So we shall do photos. This is the wide lens. Let's try to get both of the angle. Seems to be wider on the Vivo, right? So then 1 time. You know there's a spider here, right? Then this Vivo can do focus exposure lock, and it's like a manual focusing. It's macro, so it's crazy, right? So I hope you liked the video and the pictures, and the blower guy is here again. Never cease to amaze me. It's a public holiday and they're still blowing. So really hardworking guys. And do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my photos and videos, and do share it with your friends, those who are interested to get the Vivo X100 Pro, or they want to keep the S23 Ultra. I'll see you guys. Have a nice day. Happy holidays. Bye.